Hello, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a texture pack for FiveM that has no weather and only night. So what you want to do is you want to go to the description of the video and then go to the Discord. There's going to be an invite link there. You want to scroll down to graphics packs, open this one, and then download it. And then make sure you guys have WinRAR. If you guys don't, then you guys can go to my original channel and then there's a tutorial right here. So just click on that and then watch that video and then download it. If you guys do not, then you guys can pause the video and wait for this to download, and then once it's over, you guys want to go to your files, downloads, and you want to open it. And if you guys do have WinRAR, it'll open like this, and then that citizen file is what you need. Next, you want to go to your FiveM, right click, open file location, application data. I don't know why mine looks like this, but it's not going to look like that for you guys. But just drag your citizen onto the side here. You don't want to drag it into any of these files, just right on this black line right here. Replace files in this designation. And then you want to close both of these out and open up FiveM. These are the results of the texture pack. As you can see, they're very clean. There's also new tutorials coming out on tracers, kill effects, reshade, and all of that. So if this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notice so that you can get notifications whenever there's a new tutorial out. Also, the Minecraft roads are gonna be coming out soon, so stay tuned for that and have a nice day. Peace out.